Restaurants in yet another Baltimore City neighborhood are temporarily having to shut down their doors after 3 employees test positive for COVID-19. WMAR 2 News' Dave DETLING is outside one of those restaurants that's been impacted in Federal Hill.
The Row House Grill here in Federal Hill took to Facebook to let the public know that one of its employees tested positive for COVID-19. That means it is shut down right now and will go through a deep cleaning. Restaurants in the area, they say they are concerned about the virus, but they are doing whatever they can to stop the spread, and that includes extending outdoor dining.
This November will be 9 years that I've had Sobo Cafe. For
nearly a decade, Anna Leventis has survived as a small business owner. Never before did she think she'd be working through a pandemic.
I've cut my payroll and my expenses drastically and just trying to pivot into sort of a new way of business to survive.
New to her business model, her parklet, which extends outdoor dining beyond the sidewalk. The creatively designed open-air space offers more seating. The other thought, it's safer than being inside with other diners during the pandemic.
Being able to do this, I mean, for the past week, it has really made a tremendous difference in our business and increased sales.
In fact, with more positive cases popping up in and around restaurants, some owners have made the decision to only serve people outside. Parklets, which are now popping up across Federal Hill, are designed to keep people safe while helping businesses stay afloat, says CATHY Rosenbaum of Federal Hill Main Street.
This is a citywide initiative called Design for Distancing, and the permits that they're issuing related to this project are in effect through June of 2021. The only thing that would make them resolve sooner would be if all of the restrictions for COVID were relaxed and put back to normal.
Right now, a return to normalcy seems far away, especially as restaurants in the city report workers testing positive for COVID-19. In Federal Hill and the South Baltimore area, at least 3 restaurants this week have closed because of positive cases. They include the Row House Grill, LP Steamers, and City Limits. All are closed for deep cleaning and quarantine. As for Sobo Cafe, Anna says she's lucky she and her staff have avoided a positive case, but knows it's a reality that could happen at any time. She hopes with more outdoor spaces, there'll be less positive cases.
The thought of just having to close right now when we're already struggling is just a great fear, because, I mean, I just don't want to have a week where we aren't open, but if it comes to that, we will have to close.
And as for the parklets, we're seeing more of them pop up in neighborhoods across Baltimore City. As for restaurant employees who test positive for the virus, having covered this in various different communities, I got to tell you, the restaurant owners, they've been very transparent and open with the public about what's going on. In Federal Hill, Dave DETLING, WMAR 2 News.